Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of eBay app. Here we click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about eBay app and you will enter. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for watching.